So this is room 231 at the Hilton Garden Inn, San Jose, Milpitas. This is like, I don't know, my 7th or so time here. And I'm going to keep in mind that I picked this room on the app, and when you see the view, you'll see what I'm talking about. So, like all of the other rooms, come in and you've got the baskets for your clothing, hangers, an iron and ironing board, and a suitcase holder. Then you come in a little bit more and you have the mini fridge, coffee maker, microwave, and a lamp with a lot of outlets on it at the desk, TV, and another lamp with a lot of outlets, and a nice little desk area, mirror. This is a king room, and next to the bed you've got outlets and a little reading lamp on this side, and then the bed does have a top sheet. So then come back to this side, and there's an alarm clock, and then a bigger lamp. So there's also a chair with a little laptop table, and then the view outside is air conditioning units, that's why it's funny that I picked this room. But I like this side not facing the freeway, so still it's quite quiet. It's fine with me. Now we'll go into the bathroom, and you've got another full-length mirror here. And in the bathroom, I'll turn the light on. So just your standard sink, Neutrogena products, a hair dryer down here, toilet, shower, bathtub shower, and shower head. So again, this is 239 at the Hilton Garden Inn in Milpitas.